Hello classmates, hello teachers. For today we're gonna make a lava lamp. All we need to do is baking soda, an empty glass and oil, and also a coloring food and a vinegar. First, add the food coloring to the vinegar. And then stir. And put the baking soda on the empty glass. And next, we have to put the oil at the top of baking soda. Put the vinegar at the top of the oil and baking soda. It's fizzing. Look at the bubbles down. Oh, it's so cool. So we're done making a lava lamp. Bye-bye.